Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Honda Odyssey garage door opener. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage. Next, gather your original garage door remote control. You will also need to locate the 3 home link buttons typically found on your Odyssey's overhead console. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful programming process, preparing you for the next stages of setup. To begin, clear any existing programming by pressing and holding the 2 outer home link buttons for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes. Then, hold your original garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold both the remote button and your chosen home link button. Keep holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow to a rapid flash, signaling successful training. Now you need to sync your Odyssey with the garage door motor. Locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually on the back. Press this button firmly for about 30 seconds. Immediately return to your Odyssey within 30 seconds of pressing the Learn button. Then, press the home link button you just programmed 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time to complete the synchronization. Finally, test your newly programmed home link button to ensure it operates your garage door smoothly. If the door does not respond, simply repeat the entire programming sequence from the beginning, paying close attention to each step. For garage door openers with rolling code technology, remember that pressing the Learn button on the motor is a critical step. Always refer to your Odyssey's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions or additional troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.